You want to get inside?
She will get. I'm curious to stay inside.
You want to go all the way inside?
Mama, Yuki.
You want me to help you? Okay, here, you get as far inside as you can, and then I'll help you the rest. You can't get all the way inside? Well,
No.
do you have any other ideas? You want me to close it with the zipper? Yeah? Okay. Here, I'll help you. Like this. Here we go. And, oh, there you go. Fit inside. You put your head down. There we go. All done. Who's there? Who's there? Who's inside? Luna? Are you baby raccoon? Where are you, baby raccoon? Baby raccoon? Where's baby raccoon? Baby raccoon? There you are! Ah! There you go.